In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Instagram users near your location. While Instagram doesn't have a direct feature for this, I've got a couple of great methods that will help you connect with people nearby. Let's dive in. First, open up Instagram and head to the search tab at the bottom of the screen. It's the magnifying glass icon. From here, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, and once it's open, look all the way to the right and select Places. Now, you'll want to tap on Near Current Location. This will pull up all the nearby locations so you can see posts from people close to you. Instagram will show me a list of photos and recent posts from that area. I recommend choosing Recent, as it will give you the most up-to-date content. By doing this, you can browse through photos from users who have recently posted at that specific location, making it a great way to find people near you. But that's not the only method. You can also go back to the search bar, select Tags, and simply type in the name of your city. Instagram will then display all the posts tagged with that location. This way, you can see even more posts from your area and connect with users nearby. So there you have it, 2 easy ways to find Instagram users around you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I love hearing from you all.